Hey guys, so it's our midweek charting session. Medyo maraming movers for the past 3 days, so we'll just go over them one by one. So let's start now. Okay, okay, first mover, ito FGEN. We can see them. FGEN ngayon, nasa flag, 4-day flag, and then pwede pang mag-continue bukas. Pero extended, and medyo extended na yung move niya. We see the flag here, and yung entry price, entry point nandito. Pero pwede ka pa rin naman umenter today. First entry point, second entry point, ito yung third entry point, okay? Pero from the first entry point, dito ka pumasok, up ka na ng 6% by now, okay? So this FGEN can still continue tomorrow, okay? ADX is at 50, and you can see the very strong momentum in the stock. Okay, so ano ba yung mother company? FPH. Okay, FPH is here, ang momentum yun. So we can draw the line here. I'll draw the box here. Okay, nag-breakout siya nitong box. Boom, breakout 82, 83, and then breakout nito, and then nag-continue siya here. Nag-pause ng 2 days, and then boom, continuation. 84 yung trigger, cut is the low at 82.8. So now it's at 86. Okay, so you can see also here that there is a strong momentum. That's why this moves very, very fast. I like this stock. Bumili ako sa 84, so I put my stop at 82.5. So now I'm ahead 2 pesos in that stock. Konti ba lang? So at least lamang, okay? Okay, so up next, we have one of the stronger ones, PepsiCo, okay? Lakas nito. Wow, okay. So we saw this ito. So let's say, sabihin mo galing 140 hanggang 190. 30%, okay? 30%, 32% up. Okay. Ano yung expect natin dito? Okay. What we want to happen here, this is momentum, is clear momentum. So dito, pag hindi ka nakapasok doon in that small window, ang hirap na, hindi ka na makakahabol. So we only have that small window of entry points here on our momentum setup. So kaya ako parati ini-emphasize sa inyo the importance of ilang days lang yung pause and then dun na aakyat. So tinan mo sa 140, 2-3 days na nandun, tapos boom, 180 na agad. Ngayon, 4 days na nandito sa itaas. Paano ba yung style dito? So, since it's up 32% from this 140 ngayon, medyo volatile na siya. So, we want this to quiet down. Meaning, ano meaning quiet down? Walang volatility masyado. So, pero kung gusto mo bumili, kailangan lagay mo yung stop mo dito sa low or lagay mo na lang dito sa 170 kasi medyo malikot. So, pag bumili ka sa 180, put your cut at 172, 171, or 170 and just buy a small amount of shares because this is very risky at this stage because it's up more than 30%. But if gusto mo pa rin bumili, you are more than welcome kasi hindi ko naman kontrolado yung decision mo. Okay, so that's just yun na yung opinion ko doon. So if you want, just put your set a cut and then follow your plan. Okay. Up next, we will discuss ALCO, the mover top gainer of the day. Yon. Okay. Okay. What we can see here is okay. We're just gonna draw a trend line here. Okay. Nag-break siya ng downtrend line here. And then umangat dito yung momentum. So short consolidation here. Moving on. Tapos papuntang 30 na. Okay, so we can see an immediate resistance at 105. Okay? So that's 105. Okay? So papunta na siya doon sa resistance sa 105. Yan. Well, what do we do now? Okay? So, i-zoom lang natin so makita natin kung anong pwede mangyari. So, what we want to happen is, siguro mag-pause dito. Yan, pause. Before continuation. Okay? But ideally, we can see a pullback. Something like this will happen. Something like this will happen here. Okay? So, in 10 days, malayo yung 10-day MA. So, I'm not too bullish on this stock, but there was may cross kanina ng malaki at 90 cents. So that's why kaya umakyat. So pwede mag-pull back lang maliit dito. Ganyan. And then before, boom, umakyat na ulit. Okay? So that's the ideal scenario na gusto ko makita. So we'll just observe what will happen here. But definitely, this is one of the gusto kong bantayan na stock. Okay? Pepsi, ALCO yun. Prime or PRIM, yan. Laki ng inakyat ng isang araw. Okay. I'm not too here. So yan, tumakit ng 30 dito pa lang. So ito na yung clue nyo. Right? Ito na yung clue dito. Wala na lang pala. Yan na yung clue. Dito umakyat na yung ADX tapos boom, breakout. So, kung pina-follow nyo to, dito mahuhuli nyo siya sa 140, papuntang 190. Another 40% move. Honestly, ako hindi ko na-follow to kasi yung volume niya mas manipis, so I don't really follow. I don't trade stocks with low volume masyado. So, look now, if hindi kayo nagbenta, ngayon, today, down ng malaki. Sayang naman yung kinita nyo sa nag-high ng 180 plus. Ngayon, 153 na lang. That's down over 20% for today from the high. So, sayang. But it's in momentum, so there's a play here. We want this to quiet down. Again, ano meaning ng quiet down? Okay, one more down candle here. One more candle here. Then, maliit. Then, baka mamaya, merong isang small candle. Tapos doon tayo bibili. Okay? Gusto natin yung maliliit na green. Okay? So that's what we want to look at. Kung totoong may move to na hindi siya one day, one hit wonder, we can monitor it. But, tignan niyo to. Let's look at it historically. Yan. Okay? So ito, for the previous days, parati pag umakyat, bumaba next day. Pag umakyat, bumaba. Pag umakyat, bumaba. So this one, baka bumaba rin siya. Just following the DNA of this stock before, yan. Parati pag umakyat, bumaba. Dito, umakyat, bumaba. Umakyat, bumaba. So, hindi talaga reliable. So, kaya nga kailangan mo mag-take some profit. But we'll just wait and see what happens here. Very interesting stock to watch for the week. Okay, Gumalaw na naman kanina. Ayan. Okay. What I just noticed here is, okay, we'll just draw our line. Ray. Okay, I'm going to draw Ray. Okay. This ray is the downtrend line. Nag-break siya ng downtrend line. And then ngayon, umaangat. Above ng 10, 20, and 50 day. 50 days, the orange line. Yan, above na siya. So, kanina, if ever bibili ako, bibilin ko siya sa 92. I'll put my cut at 86. Hindi ko siya nabili. Hindi ko pa binibili because I have other priorities. Pero kung gusto niyo siya bilhin, okay lang naman. For me, there's no momentum yet. This is a reversal pattern which will take a longer time. ADX is at 16, meaning there is no momentum. There's just a reversal, okay? So, yun, okay? We're just discussing the movers. Ayala Land Logistics, yun. Okay, uptrend pa rin. Momentum is still intact, 30. And then we can see this channel. It's a channel up. Yun, okay? It's an uptrending channel with momentum. So ang ganda nito, how do you enter channels? So you can enter it at sa support levels, 20-day or 10-day. In this case, parati siya nagta 20-day. So near the 20-day, you can buy it and then sell it towards the top of this range. So diba? Buy, sell here, buy it here, sell it here, buy it here, sell it here. Sounds easy but it's not easy to do. So kailangan nyo abangan yan. So hindi ako magaling mag-range trade, but I think most of you na matyaga na nag-range trade, maybe you can take advantage of this stock because it's clearly in a range uptrend channel. Okay? Vol, yan. Ano nangyari sa Vol? Yan. So, dito, ganda ng chart, oh. Breakout. So, 1.4. Tumuloy-tuloy hanggang 167. Tapos, bilang namatay. Clearly, may momentum because its ADX is above 30. Yan. Pero biglang namatay. Okay, so, I don't know ba't namatay. Wala akong news. Wala akong anything but the chart is clearly ugly. Okay? So, kaya importante magkaroon ng stops. Okay? So, kung binili mo sa 140, actually ngayon, pag bumili ka sa breakout price ng 140, 140 dito, 144, o di ngayon, talo ka na. Pero, kung pwede mo i-break even, sana break even ka. But, let's just check how much ang gain mo pag sa breakout ka bumili. Shift, from the high, 15% yung gain na yun. So, nag-gain ka ng 15%. There's no excuse for you to lose when you have a stock that's up 15%. Why? Because I always teach my student to partially take some profits along the way. If you have 10% gain, more than 10% gain, more than, pwede nang benta mo na lang lahat. But this is, ngayon, if you have this stock and you are now at a loss, pero initially gain ka, medyo I'll be worried because sayang naman yung panalo mo. Yung winner mo naging loser. Okay? So that is an opportunity na nawala. And sayang yung pera na dapat nabulsa natin. So always be proactive with selling. That's what I always tell them. Okay, so one of the most requested is SSI. So here we can see this line. I'll just put another line na mas solid. 314 line in support, 340. So it's just nandito lang siya sa taas ng 340 range, okay? Losing its momentum, ito correcting lang, sideways lang talaga siya. Worst case scenario will be the 50-day here at 325. I hope naman sana hindi pumunta doon, but anything is possible. So be ready if it goes to 325. I still like this company. I still like the story. I still like Shake Shack. I still like Zara. But of course, yung chart pa rin ang nauuna. So ngayon, today, kahapon okay pa, pero today nagkaroon ng malaking red downtick. That keeps me, worried. 1%, 1 cent cash div tomorrow. Okay, so nandiyan lang naman, still na uptrend stock. But hindi lang siya momentum as of now, so wala pang galaw. Chelsea Logistics, lakas. Okay? Pinili ko siya dito, binenta ko siya dito, Tapos, hindi ko na nabalikan dito. Pero, it's still in a clear uptrend. Kahit hindi ko na i-draw yung line, nandun yung 10-day MA mo, leading the charge, uptrend, with ADX na sobrang lakas. See? The power of momentum stocks. Okay? So, 7 to 850. 7, ba't ko sinabi 7? Because 7 is the breakout of this consolidation. Okay? 7. 7 to 850. So, malakas. Okay? Oops. Okay. The market is very, very strong. So, you can see a lot of stocks moving higher. Okay? Counterpart niya, si Mr. ISM, Mr. Tel. Okay. It's still on an uptrend chart. Yan. Ooh. Uptrend line. Uptrend line here. Yan. Uptrend channel. Okay. Momentum is there. So what is the strategy? Buy on support, sell on resistance. Yun yung strategy ko. Okay? But this is on, baka mag-sideways na to ng sandali because of this MACD. But who knows, this can easily break 720. Dahil, dyan na yan, malapit na yan. Okay? Okay. Up next, GSMI. One of my favorite. Okay. Ooh, sobrang lakas. Today, medyo weak, but it's still on the uptrend line support. So maybe tomorrow, if it breaks the 10-day, I will sell my existing position. But currently, it's still on an uptrend. ADX is at 57, 58 pa nga. So I'm just holding on to the stock. I'm not gonna buy it here, but I'm gonna sell it. So I have, meron akong hawak, tapos ibebenta ko na lang siya. So it's consolidating above 60 to 63, 64. Yan yung range niya ngayon. So, if this goes down tomorrow, bebenta ko na lang yung mga shares ko na binili ko sa baba. Here, bumili rin ako dito sa flag. Okay? So, baka magpahinga muna and then may isa pang chance ulit. Okay? So, no buying there. Okay, FLI, boom. ADX went to 30 because of the last week's move. Isang malaking move yun. No? Ngayon, 30 na. 36. So what are we seeing here? Okay, the previous 52-week high is at 1.85. Okay? 1.85. Draw the line there. So, yan yung naging support. If ever, yan yung gusto nating makita support. So, ito, yan. Papunta na doon sa 185. Always, sinasabi ko parate, the resistance becomes the support. So the previous resistance is 185. Now, 185 will become the support. ADX is at 36 today. So I will monitor this closely. So this can go up tomorrow. Boom. Green dapat. Green. Then I will buy it and put my cut at 185. Okay. I like this stock, so I'm just gonna monitor it. So that's it for the movers. Medyo maraming movers for just 3 days. Okay, ay, meron pa pala. Ito, ABA. Okay, boom. One of the strongest stock of the week, last week. Okay, yun. Okay, so, yan, lagyan natin yan. 50% pag galing kang 70 cents. 50% ang inakyat niya sa isang buwan. Well, hindi pa nga isang buwan. Pag yung isang buwan, more than double. Pero from 70 cents na realistically mo mabibili, it's up 56% sa high. Okay, so ano mong nagreklamo ka pa? Okay. So, anong in-expect natin? We can expect this to go sideways first here or pause for a bit because sobrang taas na ng inakyat niya. But it's also possible na, okay, ano yung mga scenario na gagawin? Okay, I'll do the scenario Scenario 1 thing na ginagawa natin sa premium natin. Okay. Scenario 1, boom, down. Scenario 1, boom, down. Diyan. Tapos ito, mag-base sa 90, di ba? So, scenario 1, mag-range dito, tapos baka umakyat after. Scenario 2, okay? Ano mangyayari dito? Baka, pag scenario 2, bullish scenario, which is yung gusto mo marinig, boom, green, boom, green, boom, breakout. Ganyan. Short consolidation and then breakout again. Okay? And the last scenario that I don't want to happen, ayoko naman matalo lahat ng mga tao. Boom, down, goes to 80. Pwede rin ganyan. Pwede rin pumuntang 70 cents because that is the previous, breakout point. Huwag naman sana. Okay? Okay. Yan yung last scenario towards the 50-day or 20-day. But I hope not. I hope it won't happen. So this is most likely this will happen. Ito yung mangyayari. Ito. This can go sideways first. Then move up or move down. So it's a 50-50 rin yung chance for the consolidation. But mas in favor of going up because of this. Because momentum is at 52, index is at 52, so meaning we have momentum on our side, and it's been correcting for just 3 days now, so we'll just observe it for the next 2 days, and then we get an update on Sunday what we want to do with it since last 2 trading days naman. Okay, guys, that's the midweek wrap up. Thank you for listening. Dami nating napag-usapan. I hope nakatulong to sa inyo and sa trading nyo. And watch out for our momentum stock picks na diniscuss natin dito. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more videos and alerts. So I'll try to do this every Wednesday to keep you guys updated. But of course, the more thorough videos are for my premium subscribers, which we do more thorough stock discussion. But thank you for watching this free video for everyone that I would like to share, and good luck sa trading you for the week. I hope we make some money. I'm out. Thank you for watching.